everyone, thanks for joining me today. My name is Karen and I'm going to be teaching you a fun tutorial on how to spice up your mason jars. You can use these mason jars to store food, jelly beans, candy, or makeup, cotton balls, Q-tips, you know, get creative, whatever. Anyways, they're really great and I personally think they're super cute. This tutorial will only take about 10 minutes of your time. You're gonna need the following materials. You're gonna need a mason jar, a glue gun, spray paint, and lastly, you'll need little animal figurines. You may be able to borrow some from your little brother or sister, or look through your old toy chest, and if you don't have toys anymore, you can just go to Michael's like I did and pick some up. So we're gonna start off by gluing down our little animals. I decided to pick the moose, horse, and a buffalo to glue on these mason jars. So now that all our animals are glued onto our mason jar, I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint. I picked gold. You can pick any other color that you like. Thanks for spending some time with me today and watching my tutorial on how to make really fun mason jars. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram by looking up Karen Sue Studios, and be sure to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye!